This is how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. I'm going to show you two ways. The first way is we're going to open up Epic Games. Right here, we're going to locate over the library and find Fortnite right here. Going to right click it, go to manage. And here we're going to press on verify to verify all files. Once you've done that, we're going to go down here to installation and click this photo icon. Once you're here, we're going to go over to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then from here we're going to scroll down until we see these Fortnite clients right here. For all five of these things right here, we're going to right click them, go to properties, and from here we're going to press on disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. We're going to press on apply and then OK. And then we're going to go and do it with each of these other ones. Alright, once you've done all five of those, we're going to exit this out, and try to run Fortnite. But if that doesn't work, we're going to head on over to our files. From here on the left, we're going to go to this PC, go to Windows, one of your drives where Fortnite is installed on, most likely your C drive. Go to Program Files, go to Program Files 86. We're going to find Epic Games right here, Online Services, and in here you will find the Easy Anti-Cheat system, but for me it's somewhere else. Here mine is located right here, but yours will most likely be located in the Epic Online Services folder. Once you're here, we're going to open it up, and it's going to open this up. We're going to go choose Game 217 and press on Repair Service. Once that is finished, you may have to reinstall Anti-Cheat. And once you've done those two options, you should be able to have Fortnite fixed and you can launch it.